Hello, this is United Storage Assembly. This is our 2x12 storage assembly. Each assembly comes with two thin end caps. The entire assembly is made from 6061 grade aluminum, which is extremely resistant to corrosion. Our 2x12 storage assembly here comes with 11 60-degree center marked storage cups and your spacer. And when fully assembled, just like our other assemblies, and when placed under compression, gives us our tube inside of a tube design. When placed back inside this tube, it's just more for alignment purposes. You will see, just like on all of our other assemblies, we will leave you a gap of around 1/64 of an inch between the face of your tube and the face of your end cap. Once again, this is for if you decide to have your storage assembly Cerakoted. It's just to ensure that your internals remain tight and under compression and do not rattle. Here in our cutaway version, you see their secondary storage chamber and our primary storage chamber, as well as your storage chamber in between each of your 11 storage cups. Once again, still offer our thick end caps, 70-75 grade aluminum. Many modifications for these. If you can't seem to find what you're looking for, feel free to request. Find these on our thick end cap page, as well as our special adapters page. You can locate us at UnitedStorageAssembly.com. Also, feel free to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Thank you.